Hello and welcome. My name is Luke, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to publish content on your profile page. So let's jump into it. So the first thing, you need to go to the Buy Local Sunshine Coast website and log in. As shared in previous videos, you'll have the option in the header here to either click Member Login or in the menu Manage Listing, and that will take you, after you've logged in, to your dashboard. And this is the dashboard here. You've got a variety of options when it comes to publishing content based on your membership tier. So we're looking at a partnership level membership tier. So there might be more options here than what you see on yours if you're an essential listing, but at least you know upfront what types of content you can share. So for all membership tiers, you can post blogs, coupons, photos and videos, and some of the start discussions. Some of these others are limited based on membership tier. So let's start with a blog. So yes, we want to publish this blog because we want to complete it today. I'm actually going to use one that we published recently about the .au domains on our marketing broker website. So I'm just going to copy and paste some info over. And I'm going to use the image that we use for that one as well. So I'll just go add an image. For this one, it's just advice and tips. We originally published this article, I don't have the details here. Oh, there we go, 1st of April. And then smart tags. Right, so for this one, it's AU domain, AU DA, and the website domains. We can also copy, article saved now. And then what I do before I usually update the article content is, because you can update the SEO data as well. So I just drop those keywords in, drop the title in as well. And we'll pull the meta description after the article comes in. Ready. So now I'm just going to copy the content over. So you can keep it really basic. That's where we're going to start, but we'll have a bit of a play with some of the editing as we go. Make sure that the font is what we want. Just be mindful of that, I guess, when you copy and paste over, it'll bring in font from what you've had before. So there's a little bit of editing versus just a straight up, copy and paste, which is okay, right? It doesn't take, as you can see, it's not taking too long to make these edits as we go through. To make sure it's how I want it to look, because I will actually publish this article on the website. Cool, so go through, right? I might want to make this a proper heading. So I'll jump in here, change it to a heading 3. Might even change these to heading 4, just so Google knows what's going on. Cool. Alrighty, so as you can see, very straightforward. Obviously, when you're just copying and pasting from a existing article, you can just do that. But if I wanted to add images, so let's say if here I wanted to add an image, I can just click the link here, insert image, right, and just add one here. Maybe I want to have 2 images, so I might want to organize that in a table. So I just click on that table option, and then I can insert an image into the table that way. When I want that, I can just hit delete. Maybe I've got a video that supports this as well that might follow, in terms of next steps. So I might want to just drop in a video, which could be just a YouTube or Vimeo link. I can even set it to autoplay if I want to. You can embed code as well. So if it's not a YouTube or Vimeo video, but you actually want to do a Facebook video perhaps, you can drop in the embed code here and it will play. which is quite cool. So it gives you plenty of options in terms of content. And yeah, and just a whole bunch of formatting options. So you can play with colors, fonts, all sorts of stuff. And if you wanted to make the contact us, pop, so it's a button, just create insert link, the URL. So in this case, it would be contact. Open a new tab, right? And then just go here, style, and click primary button, and it'll pop up a bit more. So they'll click that, it'll take them to the page, right? So just so it all makes sense. Cool, that's it, right? So let's just use the first sentence for the meta description. Here. Cool, and once we're happy with it, we can just hit Save Changes. And now, the article's live. And we can click View Post. See how it looks. Cool, happy with that. We can see where it fits in search. I mean, we do randomize this, but if I just want to see, how it fits with some of the other blogs, so there's a couple here, right? But as this builds, so the keyword search will be provided. So that's all it takes to share a blog. Let's check out a video. So we just go here on the left panel as well. You have all the different content types that you've got. So you can see here, if I want to go back in and edit that post, I can. If I'm really happy with the template, I can clone it and use that as a template for future blogs to help save time. Or I might want to delete it if it's no longer relevant. So all those options you can do in this section as well. But let's jump into videos. And we're going to add a new video. Oh, let me just go. Cool, so we'll go yes, right? Title, so this one here is actually a collaborated video. So we did this in partnership with Ben Amos. It's actually just advice and tips, the link. Just grab the link, copy, bring that over. Some of the smart tags for this one, we're talking about video marketing tips, content marketing. So see here, you can do a number of these. Cool, location for a video, doesn't really matter. And I do have description. That should say Ben. Cool, so it all looks good. So we hit Save Changes. And great, now we can again view post and see how it comes up. Cool, it's ready to go. You can see in this case there's a bunch of videos already posted. But let's jump in and check out some of the others. So the other main one that you may do is photos. So let's check that out. Right, so these are what we'll call photo albums. So yeah, publish, put in the name, right? So in this case it might be highlights 2022. Relevant smart tags. Now again, these smart tags are for search. So people are looking for, often actually one of the really good ways to using photo albums is actually sharing testimonials. Because you can create, images on Canva that have the quotes from the different testimonials and upload 10 testimonials in one go. Example product shots and stuff like that as well, really good, like examples of your product can be really good as well. So why don't we go to, just so I don't have one ready to go. If we go back into community photos. Let's just see some of the examples that are on here already. So you can see here, Salt Air Modular has actually done a photo library of a recent project that they've done. These guys, Sunshine Coast gift boxes, let's check out these guys, have done just images of their collection of gifts. Right, this one's really nice. Look at that. Some really nice images, right? And you can kind of go through each of these and you can see they provide a description as well. So all that is done through here. So this is a description of the photo album. If we go save and add photos, then we choose. So each photo library has 10 images, so you can only upload 10 images at a time, and a max of 10 megabytes per upload. Okay, so 10 images, max 10, so call it 1 megabyte per photo. You can upload and to create the album. Once you've clicked chosen the image, you do need to press this green button here for the upload to go through. Once that's completed, then you'll move to the photo display order, and this is where you can set what the cover image is and just the order of the photos. You can also, in this section, add the description. So the example we've got here, where she's got the name of the image and the description, that is provided in this section here, in the photo display order. We can provide those details. So that's all it takes to create a photo album. Really good way of doing it. So the gift box one here is quite nice. If we go back, I did see one that did it was on another website, but you can, as I said, you can do stuff like testimonials. I really like that in terms of it might just be 2022 testimonials, and just having the image and quotes in here as well. So it's a good way of actually reusing social media content, setting up as photo albums. So I've got that here as well, just to call out testimonials, location, team photo, examples of the work, and more. Alrighty, so let's delete that because I didn't add any photos. Okay, so the other big one is coupons. So again, just new coupon. Right, and again, you can put in yes, publish, right? So it'll come up in the community section and coupons here when you hit publish. Title it, type of offer, promo code, online sale, in-store offer, an image associated with it, the discount, end date, promo code, and the web link. So you could drive this to a landing page, or if you have an online store, it can take them directly to where the offer is hosted. All that stuff can be provided here to make it really easy for people to access the code. In the description, again, you've got all the creativity here as well. So you can do videos, photos, all sorts of stuff in this description to showcase what's included as part of that coupon. Alrighty, and then look, there are, as I said, there are plenty of options here as well. I'm going to cover a couple of these in separate videos, but the main ones, the ones that were included in all the profile pages, blogs, coupons, photo albums, and videos. This is your how-to video. So I hope you found it helpful. Any questions, reach out to me at info@buylocalsc.com.au. Thanks.